Hey everybody, well, it's been a while. But I've had a drought. I mean, you might say. I've done a lot of thinking. I've been reading some books. So it hasn't been a total drought. It's just been I've had to concentrate on other areas of my life to get back to where I want to go. But one thing that I wanted to share with you was yesterday I had I found a gold nugget. I was listening to a goal setting seminar by Rachel Hollis, and what she said was this: from a position of gratitude, anything is possible. And that just, sometimes you have those phrases or those words that just stand out and just blow up in your face, and you're like, oh yes. Well, this was one of them, because I always knew that people said, the people that are successful are grateful. The people that are doing good are always grateful. But it didn't start out with a position, they didn't say it starts out with a position of gratitude. So if you start out from a position of gratitude, anything is possible. If you look at the Bible, and I'm sure there's more than just these two places, but before Jesus feeds the 5,000, he gives thanks, and then he breaks the bread. And when he went to raise Lazarus from the dead, prior to, he gives thanks. So from a position of gratitude, he did those things which seemed to be impossible. And in our lives, we can do those things too. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. For me, it was worth $1 million. I hope it was worth something to you. Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.